After sending mixed signals on whether or not he would be clearing his tax arrears in whole or in installments, Vice President Kalonzo Musyoka literally took the long walk to the taxman to give Caesar his due.
Totaling 4,423,000, which is the amount required from me by Kenya Revenue Authority through their letter of last week.
With the Prime Minister and the Vice President now having made public their compliance with the Constitution's requirement that their full pay and allowances be subjected to the taxman's acts, questions linger over the President's stand on the same. Kibaki has maintained his characteristic silence amidst the raging debate.
And I can confirm that His Excellency the President was the first to pay, but he didn't want to make an issue out of it. But he's fully tax compliant.
The public trooping of politicians to KRA with checks or millions in cash, as displayed by Embakasi MP Ferdinand Waitito, have however not been received well by the man in charge at Treasury. In a statement to newsrooms and posted on his Facebook page, Finance Minister Uhuru Kenyatta points out that the Constitution is very clear on the tax requirements for all citizens, including him, and that those who don't comply with the requirement would in due time be exposed. He, however, takes issue with what he describes as making a public spectacle of the tax compliance process, arguing that the effect of the public displays by the MPs with the financial muscle to make huge lump sum payments to clear their tax arrears had the effect of reflecting negatively on other MPs who may be willing to comply but are not able to clear their tax arrears in one huge payment, pointing out that each MP owes the KRA to the tune of 2 million shillings. Unlike the politicians, members of the judiciary have opted for the silent route in complying with the Constitution's new dictates on taxation.
The judiciary will start operating the pay-as-you-earn system from 1st of July. The back taxes, they have referred that issue to the Treasury.
MPs had initially resisted KRA's demands that they fully comply with the Constitution's requirement that their entire pay package, including allowances, be subjected to taxation. Previously, only their basic salary, which comprises nearly a quarter of their pay, was subjected to taxation. Nitondebu, KTN Prime.